What's going on, everybody? Back here again with a new video. Today we're going to be looking at my all-new 2018 Honda CBR500R. We're going to go ahead and take off that muffler. We're going to take a look and see what it sounds like real quick. Pretty weak in my opinion. I got an SC Project exhaust and mid-pipe that we're going to install. We're going to show you how to. We're going to grab our 12mm and remove the bottom nut. You have another 12mm there, and then on the back side, mine just so happens to be a 10. I'm going to go ahead and take these off real quick, and then we'll go ahead and start it up again and see how it sounds. Alright everybody, now with the muffler off, we're going to take a look and see how it sounds. Yeah, let's go ahead and put a muffler on there. Here's a look at the new mid-pipe, muffler, and old muffler. We're going to go ahead and use one of these clamps here to hold the muffler on. Use the existing bolt and nut you had used previously. And this is actually going to be a 3/8. I'm going to go ahead and flip this camera around and install this for y'all. Here's a final look of the new muffler and mid-pipe. I'm going to go ahead and start this bike and see how it sounds. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up for today. Thank you for tuning in and watching my video on how to install an exhaust on a 2018 Honda CBR500R. If you could please take the time out of your day to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Be greatly appreciated, y'all. We'll go ahead and see you guys next week.